Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I'm Yanka, your Christian fitness trainer, prayer warrior, and vegan nutrition specialist. And today I'm making a vegan cornbread. And so all it takes is 1 1/4 cup of flour. I have my cup of cornmeal. 2/3 cup of a sweetener. I'm using brown sugar today, but I've also done honey with it. It turned out well. This is a teaspoon of salt. This is 1 tablespoon of baking powder. This is 1 1/4 cup of almond milk or whatever kind of nut milk or milk you use, and then 1/3 of a cup of applesauce. So I've mixed all the ingredients together, and now I'm going to pour it into my pan. Ladies, here it is, and it's about to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. All right. So ladies, I just took the cornbread out, and this is how it looks, and it's all ready for dinner. So my family's gonna have this with lentils and rice. So I hope this is helpful for you. It's quick, and I actually left it for 25 minutes, and so it's ready to go with everything else. And you guys have a great, give it a try. Let me know what you think, and have a great day, evening, whenever you're watching this. And I'll talk to you again soon. God bless. Bye.